Guys, whoa, the AI revolution is here, and if you're watching this and you're an entrepreneur or you're ready to start your first business, I'm going to be teaching you the businesses that I would go into right now leveraging AI. So you can use free tools or very cheap tools to arbitrage AI services like copywriting, SEO, graphic design. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you not only the businesses that I would create, but the exact tools that I would use to create those businesses. And guys, if you already have a business and you're not planning on starting something new, you can use the tools and ideas in this video and implement them into your own business. I know I am. And if you're not doing this for your own business, you are going to be left in the dust because AI is here and it's changing the way business is done. So if you're new to the channel, I'm Jay Feldman, founder of Otter Public Relations. We're the #1 ranked PR firm on Clutch, G2, and Upcity. We have over 50 employees. I have built and scaled multiple 7-figure companies, and I like to stay on the cutting edge of this stuff. So if you're going to get value, please like, please subscribe. And I'm doing this really cool thing where I am giving away $11,000 worth of free resources and tools. Just click down in the show notes, follow a couple simple instructions. It's totally free, and I packed as much value in there as I possibly could. All right, let's get into it. So if you've been following what's going on in the business world, ChatGPT has taken the world by storm, and it's pretty incredible. If you go in there and ask it to write YouTube scripts, ask it any Google search, you're going to get a better result than anything I've ever seen on Google. I think Google's in trouble, although did a podcast episode recently with an AI expert, and they say Google's Lambda AI blows OpenAI's ChatGPT out of the water. So super excited to see what comes of that. But let's get into some of the different businesses that I would start on the back of OpenAI's ChatGPT and using some of the most cutting edge tools that exist right now in AI. All right, so this is Copy AI. I don't know if it's built off the back of ChatGPT, but if you're looking to develop blogs, social media posts, or emails, this is the best tool that I have found. Now, how would I apply this to starting a business? Blog writing is one of the most incredible businesses that you can start right now with AI. This not only does keyword optimization and creates original blogs that you can post on your website, but you can do this for customers. A single copywriter can output the quantity of high quality blogs that it would take 10 to 20 actual writers to do. So you can use this tool to scale copywriting to a whole other level. So if you wanted to market this, you'd market this as a blogging and copywriting services. You can sell blogs somewhere between $100 and $200 per blog article. Use this tool for $50 per month for unlimited. Create blogs and even publish your client's article on their behalf. Now, the second business that I would start, I'm also going to be using Copy AI. This is LinkedIn thought leadership posts. So people need to be active on LinkedIn, especially CEOs, especially thought leaders. But a lot of them don't have the time to write their own copy and publish their own copy. So using Copy AI, you can take ideas from their blogs, from their videos, input a couple sentences, and output a really powerful LinkedIn thought leadership post. You can then schedule these posts weeks in advance with very little time, basically just using the AI from Copy AI and creating unlimited posts for your clients. You can charge anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 per month for this for 2 to 3 posts per week. Very simple, and you get a really high quality product. The third business that I would start using AI is actually repurposing content. So a lot of creators out there now have a podcast, they have a YouTube channel, they have Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and they need a simple way that doesn't take a lot of time to take a single piece of content and repurpose it for other platforms. I bring you Repurpose.io. This automatically integrates all of the different platforms that exist, so you can connect your YouTube, your podcast, your TikTok, your LinkedIn, your Facebook, and many more, and then create workflows so that when you post a TikTok video, it automatically goes to Instagram Reels, it automatically goes to YouTube Shorts. When you post a podcast, it automatically goes to your YouTube channel. This saves a whole lot of time, and it can actually auto-generate short clips from full-length clips as well. So if I was to create a business model from this, it would be, let me help you repurpose your content. I'm going to take your YouTube videos and I'm going to post it as a podcast. I'm going to take your audio podcast, I'm going to post it as a YouTube, I'm going to cut it into TikTok clips, I'm going to cut it into Instagram clips, and you can do all of this automatically using Repurpose.io. Now, one of the coolest things that I've found, and I've been using this every day with AI, is script generation. As I'm going to show you right here on this screen, I've been using ChatGPT, which has been the best script generator that I've tried so far. and telling it to write me a YouTube script about a specific topic. It does an awesome job spitting out a great YouTube script based on what's been successful already on social media. So not only can you use it for scripts, but you can use it to generate ideas. So you generate an idea from a topic, you get it to write a script for you. Now you can either do this video yourself like I'm doing right now. I am not an AI, I am Jay. But if you wanted to auto-generate this video using AI, and this is so cool, this is crazy, you want to take that script and plug it in to an AI platform and have a video avatar, an AI avatar, actually read this script and create a really engaging video, you can do it using this next tool. This tool is called Synthesia, and you can upload a video script, choose an avatar, and it will actually read that video script as if it was a real person. It takes it actually one step farther, and in addition to just reading the script, it will automate a background for you and keep that video really engaging. This is one of the most incredible tools that I've ever seen. I tried to use this, and although I think I can get a better result on my own, if you're a creator and you're a business and you don't want to spend the time or practice being on camera and making videos like this, you can auto-generate scripts, upload it to this tool, and a spokesperson will read that script out for you. You can publish it on behalf of your company, and now you have a YouTube model. So if you are creating a business from this, I would say it's going to be $2,000 for 2 videos per week on this topic. We will publish it to your YouTube channel and then boom, repurpose it for these other platforms. All of it done essentially automatically, and you have to do very little work, just arbitraging the different AI tools to work together to create a sustainable business model. All right, the next business that I would start is actually lead generation, and this one is crazy and kind of takes into account some of the other tools that I mentioned, but this one is a brand new tool that we're actually using for our own company, and it combines a lot of these cool AI tactics. So I'm going to share it with you. Not a lot of people know about this one yet, so hang in with me. This one is called ReachOut.ai, and it is incredibly powerful. So it actually extracts leads for you based on criteria that you set on LinkedIn, automatically imports them into a lead generation campaign, takes their business email or their website, takes a screenshot, and then reads an AI script to them. This is pretty incredible. So let me show you a couple of the ways that I use this. So video personalization. So you choose an avatar, you upload a script with variables, and it will read this script with a photo of your client's website right there in the back. So it's as if it were for them. It also pulls in leads automatically from LinkedIn and from their lead database. This B2B lead search, that's what that is. So now you have a campaign on autopilot, importing leads based on your criteria, creating personalized videos for your clients, and outreaching to them every single day. You can set this up for your clients. I've paid up to $4,000 per month for high quality lead generation services. I can see you selling this for even more, potentially $5,000 per month. For 1 hour of work, literally 1 hour of work to set this up, and then it will just run on autopilot for the foreseeable future. All right, if you're getting a ton of value, please like, please subscribe, please hit the bell notification so that you keep an edge over your competition, because I'm about to tell you the last one, and the last one is very, very good. And remember, if you haven't already done it, go down into the show notes and click the giveaway. If you're getting value from this, you have no idea the amount of value that I'm giving you absolutely for free, $11,000 worth of value. All right, the final business that I would start on the back of AI, and this one I thought is absolutely nuts. They're all pretty nuts, but this one is crazy too. An AI landing page generator, website developer. How this works is you import certain criteria into this generator, such as your business name, your product name, a product description, and it will actually generate a landing page for you. If you don't need an entire landing page, you can just generate elements like a hero section, testimonials. All you have to do is give it a little bit of information to work on. It will give you unbelievable results for landing pages, etc. Now this is called Sitekick AI, and it's still relatively new. It's not one of the more developed softwares that I've mentioned so far, but it is super promising, and they're leading the way for personalized website generation on the back of AI. And if you've ever bought a website before or paid someone to do landing pages for you before, they can go for anywhere from $10,000 to $30,000 for a full website, usually between $1,000 and $5,000 for a single landing page. So if this can do a decent job and you can sell those landing pages and websites to clients, you can have a massively successful business all on the back of AI. This tool costs about $50 per month for unlimited landing pages to be generated. All right, guys, so this is just the beginning. I expect to see a lot more businesses blow up on the back of AI. Look at Lensa AI. They just took OpenAI's AI interface, made it really easy for other people to use. And now they have a $10 million business within a week, and it's going to be much, much bigger. A lot of these businesses are going to pour in, and what I anticipate is going to happen is there's going to be a bubble. Everybody's going to rush into this. There's going to be a lot of money flowing into it. The whole economy is going to change, and then it's going to start to level out. But we're still so early. So now is your chance to start a business on the back of AI. You can arbitrage services from AI, or if you're really clever and you have the funding for it, do something like Lensa AI does. Do something like these websites are doing. Use the API from already developed AIs like OpenAI and create a software product around a specific use case, such as creating a landing page, such as creating images like Lensa AI. The sky's the limit. You can use the API to do just about anything. So if you're clever and you can get to the market first, chances are you're going to have a very successful business. And if you're already in business, you need to be using these tools. If you're not, you're going to fall behind. I can generate content much faster than you can right now using these tools for a much cheaper price, and it's going to be better. So you got to catch up. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe. Please hit the bell notifications. And don't forget to download the $11,000 worth of free stuff from the giveaway. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Go use that AI.